Why does Bali feel peaceful and chaotic at the same time? Why do people here seem totally okay with it? We are going to learn about the culture, spirituality, and the deeper meanings behind our Bali travel. There is a core idea in Bali called Ruwa Bineda, the balance of opposites. Light and dark, good and bad, calm and busy, they all exist together. That's why you can be quiet in a rice field in the morning and then stuck in a busy traffic or behind a ceremonial parade in the afternoon. People don't see it as a problem, it's just the rhythm of life. Even in temples, you'll notice peaceful chanting mixed with kids running around or rooster crowing. The harmony isn't in removing noise, it's in accepting the mix. The mindset mixes the culture resilient. It teaches people patience, tolerance, and understanding. Life doesn't have to be perfect to feel meaningful, it just needs balance. So, when you feel that unique atmosphere, calm and busy the same time, that's Ruwa Bineda in actions. You will notice that every Balinese house will have a little temple. Do you know why? In Bali, every family has a small temple at home called Sangha or Merja. It's built in the most sacred corner of the compound, usually in the direction of mountain or sunrise, depending on the village traditions. So, mostly towards the east, like Indian traditions. Inside, there are several shrines: the Padmasana for the supreme god, the Kemulan for ancestors, Taksu for creativity and blessings, and the Penungu Karang near the entrance to keep the house energy in harmony. Every day, families make small offerings here with flowers, rice, and incense. That's to stay connected with both the unseen and the seen world. So, a Balinese house isn't just a place to live, it's where faith, gratitude, and balance meet every single day. Hope you have noticed the small shrines in front of all the houses in Bali, wrapped in black and white clothes, and wondered why? There is a deeper meaning in that cloth, indicating Bali's culture and beliefs. This black and white cloth has a great significance and it's called Poleng. It shows the idea of the Ruwa Bineda, the belief that everything has two sides like good and bad, light and dark. It reminds us that both sides exist together and make life completely balanced. So, next time when you see these small shrines wrapped in black and white cloth, remember it's not just decoration, it's a reminder of respect and harmony in a balanced way of life. And then let's try to decode those little flower offerings kept on the ground in Bali. Those small offerings are called Shanang Sari. They are made by Balinese Hindus to thank the gods for the peace and balance in life. Each one is crafted from young coconut leaves and filled with colorful flowers, and each color has its own significance and a deeper spiritual meaning behind it. White flowers face east for Ishvara, the god of purity. Red flowers face south for Brahma, the god of creator. Yellow color faces west for Mahadeva, the protector. And blue or green faces north for Vishnu, the preserver. Together, they form a symbol of harmony to all directions. It's a reminder to show that life stays balanced through gratitude and devotion. So, next time you see a Shanang Sari, look closer. It's not just flowers, it's prayer offered to the gods in every color. Have you ever discovered the sacred Meru Tower that connects humans and gods in the temples of Bali? The tall layered shrines have their significance in Bali's culture. They look like black pagodas, and this tall structure is called Meru. It's the main shrine in a temple built to worship important deities or honored ancestors. Even in Indian Hindu culture, we come across the sacred Meru mountain. The layers that you see are always in numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, or 11, show how sacred the shrine is and who it's dedicated to. The higher the number of tiers, the greater the holiness or the importance of the being worshipped there. Its tier represents the level of heaven, and together they symbolize Mount Meru. the sacred mountain at the center of the universe in Balinese belief. So, next time you visit a temple in Bali, look up at the tall layered structure which stands for Mount Meru, the sacred center of the universe. The most famous belief involving Mount Meru is the churning of the ocean. The gods and the demons collaborated to churn the cosmic ocean to obtain Amrita, the nectar of immortality. Mount Meru served as the central pivot around which the ocean was churned with the serpent Vasuki wrapped around it. This event not only highlights the importance of Mount Meru in the cosmic order but also illustrates the duality of existence where good and evil strive for balance. During our Bali travel, we were also wondering how a Balinese temple gates are split right down in the middle, exactly like two halves of a mountain. Why wasn't there just one big door? The gate is called Chandi Bentar. It's always open, never with doors, because it represents balance. Two sides that complete each other, light and dark, sacred and ordinary, and so on. The design comes from the image of Mount Meru, the cosmic mountain where gods live. Walking through the split gates indicate entering from the human world into a more sacred one. A gentle reminder that everything has two sides and harmony lives in the middle. So when you step through a Balinese temple gate, you are not just entering a place, you are walking between balance itself.
Like you're sharing cup and only can share. Okay? Yeah. They have name. It's easy for you to remember it. Okay?
Okay. Oh, these are the names.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank
it is
you.
there. Okay. Mango.
ఈ ఒక్కొక్క వెరైటీ మేము కూడా టేస్ట్ చేస్తాం
చెయ్యండి
మా
అయ్యో
దగ్గర దొరకలేదు
అయ్యో చెయ్యండి సార్
ఈచ్ వన్ కొంచెం కొంచెం సిప్పు వేసుకుని
సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేస్ట్ దిస్ This is Bali coffee. This is coconut coffee. The biggest statue in Bali is the massive Garuda Vishnu Kenchana statue, 400 feet tall monument depicting the Hindu god Vishnu riding his mythical bird Garuda, and it's located in the GWK Cultural Park. It's one of the tallest statues globally, taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, and serves as a powerful cultural icon for Bali's Hindu heritage. Garuda, a mythical eagle like being, is a prominent figure in Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain traditions, known as the divine mount or Vahana of Lord Vishnu, symbolizing strength, loyalty, and freedom. Barang Langdang is a pair of large towering Balinese puppet figures representing a king Sri Jayapangas and his Chinese wife Kang Ching Wei, both symbolizing the historical cultural fusion of Bali and China and serving as village protectors against evil spirits, especially during purification rituals like Melasti before the Balinese New Year Nyepi. These giant figures, often black-faced king and pale-faced queen with distinct Chinese features, are central to Balinese Hinduism, embodying the story of King Jayapangas and his Chinese bride and acting as benevolent guardians.